Hello, it's been a much drier and brighter day, a quieter window of weather, and we should have some clear skies through the night to view the full moon, the hunter's moon. But already out into the Atlantic we look, and we've got tomorrow's wind and rain already starting to brew up. So we'll feel the effects of that by the end of the night, and coinciding with the high spring tides, we could have some coastal inundation. There are still warnings out, flood warnings after yesterday's rainfall, but overnight being dry and under clear skies, I think the main concern is going to be the fog. It'll be chilly as well first thing tomorrow morning, but there could be some quite dense patches of fog around for the morning rush. So do be aware of that, because it will reduce the visibility, particularly on the faster routes, and give some quite hazardous conditions. Once that clears, though, I think eastern areas should have a reasonable day, dry and bright, but there'll be some heavier rain pushing into Northern Ireland and Scotland, turning heavier into the afternoon. Ahead of that, there'll be some dribs and drabs of rain pushing across into western parts of England and Wales. And here too, the winds are strengthening all the time. Gusts of wind 50, 60 miles an hour, so certainly bringing some branches down. But further east, once the fog clears and we've got some sunshine, even though it's windier tomorrow, temperatures 15 to 17, I think will feel pleasant enough. They're above average. Then through tomorrow night, Friday night and into Saturday, that rain pushes into eastern areas, but it's slow to clear away. So again, we're having rain onto saturated grounds. But at the moment, Saturday looks like the drier, brighter half of the weekend for the majority. Yeah, that rain does take its time to clear, we think, in eastern areas. But elsewhere, the winds are lighter again, and there'll be some sunshine, just the odd shower, because it's a ridge of high pressure. 14 to 17 are highs. But the second part of the weekend, as I mentioned earlier, could bring us our stormiest spell of the autumn so far, a notch up on what we've seen because of this rapidly deepening area of low pressure. The uncertainty is where that low pressure centre will track, and that will determine where we'll see the most impactful winds. At the moment, it looks as if it'll be across northwestern parts of the UK, but here gusts of wind up to 80 miles an hour is enough to damage buildings and also to bring down the trees that are in full leaf at the moment. And as well as that, there's more rain to go with it, so plenty to keep our eye on.